loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, budgeting videos, and also my journey to becoming debt free. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $285 into my sinking funds binder. So let's first go ahead and count the cash. All right, so we have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. We have 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 245, 50, 250, 26, 255, good Lord, y'all, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280, 281, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we have the $285. How did everyone's budget go for this, or for the month of May? I think this video probably won't be up until like June, but we'll see. I am cash stuffing my sinking fund binder for the month of May. I just got paid today, so of course I had to wait until today to actually stuff it. But everything in here won't be getting something. A lot of things I've already paid for the year, which is totally awesome. Oh, you know what? Another thing, I was thinking about stopping. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see. I was thinking about actually stopping my $20 savings challenge. Like, I did miss a month, the month that I actually messed up my budget. Let me know in the comments down below. Like, I am legit thinking about just stopping this challenge. But for now, it is going to get $80. So let's do 50, 60, 70, 80. Even though it's supposed to be all 20s. Oh well. Let's see. So 20. You know what? Should I even count it? Does it even matter if I count it? I'm not going to count it. But I am going to write on my card. So May 27th, I am adding $80. Yeah, I skipped the month of April. So which means I will have to either make up that, or I don't know. We'll see. So I might just, like I said, just stop this $20 savings challenge altogether. We shall see. All right, vitamins will get $5. And again, I need to write on it. I didn't write on it beforehand. Sorry. But it gives us time to chit chat, well, me to chit chat with y'all, and you guys to leave a comment down below. But the month of May, I know people say this all the time, but the month of May went by so fast. I have been so busy at work. It is insane. And like, work has been stressing me out, y'all, but I'm just thankful that I actually have a job. That's all I'm gonna say. Student loans will get 20. Yeah, oh yeah, and what do you guys have planned for this summer? Today was the last day of school for the school district in my area. So let me know in the comments down below what you all have planned for the summer, if you're going to do some traveling or whatever you may be actually doing. So, oh, it's in the back. I'm like, what did I do with the card? Well, I know I am going to Costa Rica in June, I think. And then we may be going to Ohio, but then that's about it. Dental doesn't get anything. Back to school will get 45. Let me know again in the comments down below what you have planned for the summer, because if you guys have like some good ideas, that I may just like do what you all are doing. Maybe some good ideas. And also, I have family coming from Ohio in July. I think they're gonna come. So, and we're supposed to be doing stuff when they come, so that will be awesome. Travel will get nothing, and 1 month ahead will get nothing. All right, you know what? I forgot. I'm stuffing my birthday binder and my holiday binder. I don't know why I thought I was only stuffing my sinking fund binder. So here is my holiday binder. Father's Day will get 15. My friend and I have something planned for our husbands for Father's Day. If I have a chance to actually record like setting up and stuff, let me know in the comments down below if that's something you guys will be interested in. I haven't like recorded a vlog in like forever, but like I said, let me know if that is something you'll be interested in. Did I add it? No, I didn't. What do you guys, if you do anything, what do you typically do for Father's Day? Do you guys go out to dinner with your dad or your husband? My dad did pass away in 2019. So we're just going to do something for my husband, and she's going to do something. We're doing like something together though. So I've been buying stuff for that as well. And what is this? Juneteenth is actually on Father's Day. So Father's Day and Juneteenth money will more than likely be getting combined, because like I said, we're already doing something on Father's Day, and we'll more than likely just make it like Juneteenth / Father's Day gathering or something. 4th of July is going to get 27. 4th of July is going to get 15 as well. If I haven't been saying it, you guys, I'm sorry. You know I can't walk and chew gum. That's why I be messing up sometimes. I hope I did not mess up this time. If I messed up this time because I'm talking, looking at the camera, and also like trying to do this with my binders, I'm going to be very upset. Halloween and Thanksgiving. Well, why am I giving Thanksgiving 5? I guess, whatever. Thanksgiving is going to get 5. All right, whatever. All right, next is going to be the birthday binder. Joe's get nothing, Saya get nothing. Amber's birthday just passed, and Naya's birthday will be coming up next week, so she gets some money in here. I typically just give them money because they don't like what I actually be buying them. And then they like, sorry for shaking the camera, they will never use it, and it's a waste of my money. So now I have just started giving either gift cards to something that I know that they actually like, or like money. Because they just been, like I said, they just give not give it away. Like, yeah, they'll donate the stuff that I bought them with the tag still on it, and y'all know I be angry. Oh, sorry you guys. And yeah, I don't be happy about that. So Jonathan is going to get 5. So Jonathan has 10. Of course, I have not been counting it all because, you know, I'm lazy. Okay, where did I mess up? Where did I mess up? I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. Oh, I know. I forgot to give car registration. 40, right? Wait, no. Why, Evita? Why do you do this to yourself? I didn't mean to take out money for car registration. I know that's what. Zion is going to get. No, Zion gets nothing. Zion's birthday gets nothing. Other's birthday will get 20. Yep, that's exactly what I did. I accidentally took out the money for my car registration, and I am paying that tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to go to an ATM and actually deposit that money back in there. Oh, how did I do that? So today we only stuffed $245, y'all, not $285. Plus 20 gives us 30. Oh, that makes me so, I'm beyond, I'm whatever. 10, 30, 35. Yep, accidentally took out the 44. Oh, let me show you guys that it is actually 40. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Accidentally took out the money for my car registration. Here's the list that I was looking at. I'm like, why in the world? Let me zoom in. This is what I put car registration on here, but my plan was to put the money into the bank, and I still accidentally took it back out. Basically, I put the money from the binder in the bank, and then I accidentally still took out the $40 for May. But it's okay. I'll just go ahead and deposit that tomorrow and pay my car registration taxes, whatever they're called, tomorrow as well. But that is all for today's video. Like, I know I have this $40 left over, but that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.